Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 cases is here, and it fulfills the promise of foldables as truly futuristic devices. Officially unveiled at Samsung Galaxy Unpacked on July 9, 2025, with pre-orders starting immediately and general availability set for July 25, 2025, the Flip 7 represents the most refined, AI-powered, pocketable marvel in Samsung's foldable lineup. Stepping up from its predecessor, it introduces a larger 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display, with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2600 nits brightness, paired with the biggest ever 4.1-inch Super AMOLED Flex window cover screen, now edge-to-edge with ultra-slim bezels of just 1.25 millimeters. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This dual-screen setup transforms quick interactions, reply to messages, view widgets, launch apps, or access AI features, all without opening the phone. Under the hood, the Flip 7 runs on Samsung's own Exynos 2500 chipset, built on a 3nm process, paired with 12GB RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB. Despite some critiques comparing its CPU to Snapdragon equivalents, the GPU and efficiency gains thanks to this custom chip deliver real-world performance that satisfies most users while extending battery life. And speaking of battery, the Flip 7 packs a 4300 mAh cell, the largest ever in a Flip series, supporting up to 31 hours of video playback. Design gets a major refresh. The phone closes at just 13.7mm thickness and unfolds to a mere 6.5mm, while weighing in at just 188g, making it thinner and lighter than ever before in the Flip lineup. Durability is enhanced by Armor Flex hinge, refined aluminum frame, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, along with IP48 water resistance, pushing foldables closer to everyday ruggedness. Photography remains dual-lens but smartly optimized. A 50MP main sensor and 12MP ultra-wide camera deliver crisp, vivid shots enhanced by ProVisual Engine and 10-bit HDR support. The 10MP front camera handles selfie capture via FlexCam through the cover screen. While some reviewers note Motorola's Razr Ultra bests the Flip 7 in select camera scenarios, especially low light and color punch, Samsung still performs admirably in daytime, selfie, panorama and high zoom shots thanks to its engine and image processing algorithms. The real differentiator is AI integration through One UI 8 and Galaxy AI, powered by Google's Gemini Live. Features like Now Bar and Now Brief transform the Flex window into a real-time dashboard, showing calendar notifications, fitness stats, outfit suggestions, travel tips, and more, from within the closed phone interface. Hold down the side button to invoke Gemini Live, which can analyze outfits via camera feed, summarize your schedule, offer restaurant picks, or reply by voice, making the Z Flip 7 feel like a miniature AI assistant in your pocket. Samsung Newsroom. Plus, for the first time ever, Samsung DeX support arrives on a flip phone, turning it into a portable workstation when connected to a display, bringing productivity to a foldable form. In terms of value and positioning, the Flip 7 launches at $1,099 starting price, which is $200 cheaper than Motorola's Razr Ultra 2025, while delivering equal or superior features, especially in AI capabilities, update longevity. Samsung promises 7 years of updates versus Motorola's 3, and ecosystem support. Sure, it's not a complete